second row of the Lincoln Navigator SUV offers some of the best seats in the house. A variety of features help create a comfortable environment for short or long trips and help really ensure your guests are treated like first-class passengers. Reserved standard seating has pass-through captain's chairs configuration. These seats feature heated leather seating surfaces and PowerFold functionality. Adjustable second row power tailored seats, available on reserve models, can be controlled from the switches on the outside of the outboard seats or through the second row touchscreen. These seats bring the comfort of heated, ventilated, and massaging captain's chairs to second row passengers. This second row configuration also features fully powered power pitch and slide functionality to make accessing the third row as simple as the press of a button. These features are standard on Lincoln Black Label models and include a second row wireless charging pad in the center console. Another option is the available heated 40-20-40 split bench seat with PowerFold and tilt and slide functions. Operating the available power pitch and slide seats is as easy as pushing two buttons. The top button slides and tilts the seat forward, while the bottom button moves the seat back in place. Incredibly easy for third row entry and exit. Now, to operate the second row massage function, use the massage seat control settings located on the outside of the outboard seats. Pushing the top button on the controller selects the previous massage pattern or lumbar area. Moving clockwise around the controller, you can decrease the massage or lumbar intensity. Just select the next massage pattern or lumbar area and increase the massage or lumbar intensity. The center of the controller selects the massage or lumbar mode. You can also adjust massage settings on the 5.8-inch center console touchscreen display. This is also where you can control the second row heated and ventilated seat functions. Thank you for watching.